How to use Cash App account without debit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Cash App account without adding your debit card. So first of all, just download Cash App application on your smartphone, and after that just open it and sign into your account. And in the home screen, just click on the profile icon at the top right, and here just scroll down and click on linked banks, and now just click on link debit card. Since we don't want to add our debit card, just click on no card, and now just go ahead and link your bank account to your Cash App account. So just click on continue. So all you have to do is go ahead and select the respective bank accounts in order to link to your Cash App account to use it effectively without using a debit card. So this is how simple it is to use your Cash App account without using a debit card, by simply linking your bank account to your Cash App account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.